in. This is the questions for Marisa asking for this encapsulating. And I am going to add some crystal on this one. Where my tray of crystal? Can you get me that my tray of crystal, please? Thank you. Can I get the smaller, like a tiny raindrop? Mm-hmm. Tiny one. The tiny one.
I want one smaller.
No, the smaller one. I believe the number 15. But it's okay, don't worry, I'll get it.
Just try not to cover the camera.
I've got it. Don't need it. Yeah. I can work with what I have, so don't worry. Make the best out of it, right, ladies?
Yes, it's still.
You get what you get, don't do the fit. So I'm putting your cute nails. Like if you don't have fonts and great questions, like in a great way of thinking of it. If you don't have everything, you need to just look the best of what you have. Especially it's like I'm seeing the treasure box is so excited because treasure box got a lot of cool things in there. I did some of the crystals here. If you want to add some more, this is for a lot of clients who love it's really simple and low keys on the crystal and stuff. You can absolutely rock this one. I am so excited and so obsessed with this. Every time I'm doing encapsulating like this, it's just to remind you that I still love encapsulating. It's not only crystal on me. This now is really busy, but I like it. Well, maybe we should say it Butterfly's Garden. Maybe. All right, so I'm gonna cure for 60 seconds. And then we'll go back and we'll check with precision glue if we needed it. Let me move this one. So let's do this one with I should do 7 nails. Yeah, I should do 7 nails instead of only 4 nails. He'll laugh at me because I say, wait a minute, I'm going to do, what is that? Dragon scalp. And then where's the dragon scalp? Why couldn't I fit the dragon scalp? Oh, I can do on this one if we want to. I think it's gonna look cute. Okay, so condensed glue gels on this one. In the meantime, we're waiting for the other ones. This one, don't laugh at me because I would do 7 nails for you. You have to be here with me. All right, so if you don't want to encapsulate any glitters on it, you're gonna go ahead and using condensed glue gels, a really thick density. We are going to apply this, and also no wet top coat on the top. I am going to do the precision glue on both of these nails in just a little bit because we're going to the second nails already. If anyone just tuning in, welcome to Glitz Accessory in Such Life tutorial. Thank you so much for having, like you here, and thank you so much for giving me an opportunity to share with you every single night for live tutorials. And if you have any requests, any questions for the products, anything, you can always email us at info@glitzaccessoryandsuch.com. If I miss any of your questions, please also send us as well. We can't wait to hear from you. All right, it looks like we have a lot of going on in here as well. And this is really stunning of dragon scalp. I can do it by itself, or I can do it connecting together. So make sure I don't miss anyone. No.
Yeah, that's good. You're good.
I'm gonna do this one. My little small tiny raindrop. Let's see how that turned out for us. That's one like very cool. She might really big. You think? Really cool though. It's like this is so many cute butterflies. I don't know if you feel tired of it, but I don't think I'm so tired of the butterflies. They're so cute though. They come in different colors. I got Rico is remind me of Seattle's. Is we went to like a butterflies garden. It has so many different butterflies you were never even thinking of. Amazing. They're so beautiful. I was never seen it like that ever in my life. You're only seeing a simple butterflies, and here you go. You're seeing a super cute one. Is beautiful colors. Now we don't have to go to Seattle. We can see it right on our nails. I don't know if in your state have it, but I didn't get chance in Florida as here we have it or not. Maybe we do, but who's in Louisiana? They do have it. Super cute. Alright, I don't know. I can keep on and on about this one and non-stop. Sorry. I love this smaller tiny raindrop, and also they have a side between this and the other drop as well. All right. So if you are enjoying with this and you're happy with this, clear this one for 60 seconds. And we're gonna do precision glue on board of this. Great. It's different though, everyone. Usually you see me with like, wow, a lot of different crystal. But I would like to share with all of you because everybody have a different preference and different taste. So if, you might like, some of you might like this look and some of you might like others. So I don't know. I was like, would love to do for everyone. And this one, we're gonna do precision glue. In the meantime, we're waiting for our other nails, and we're gonna go in and check using is one of my bestie right here. She's always good to me because she's helped me keep all the clients' crystals in one place, and it's really is one of exciting that I feel so much confidence to using this, and so the clients will never come back, like unless they were being like broken the nails because doing something is really hard on the nails, but the crystal will not come off. It'll stay on at least 4 weeks, 3 to 6 weeks. I was saying it, but I have a client that will get a long time. Twin tip brush, please. And I'm gonna give it a swipe quick. You can see that extra, and each time you're using, just squeeze just a little bit, and then you're gonna do some little exam first before you do anything else. because you don't want to squeeze them out too much and it flooding your beautiful crystals. You just want to make sure that you just get enough to seal it in. All right, so now we are going to cure this one for 60 seconds, and I am going to cure the to seal the other ones as well.
All right, very quick. So we got some new people coming in. Ask for the contest.
Oh, the contest. Great, thank you so much. Hello, Mariel, and hold on.
I think Luna might answer that for you.
Okay, is it Nuna answer that? Thank you so much. Or Mika, are you there? If you answer it.
Yeah, Mika's there. Mika should turn back in.
Okay, good. Someone help me, please. And then I'm gonna answer all the questions when I'm finished with this. So again, I'm gonna do this one. And seal into any edges and graft of the crystals. It's fun. Everyone should tuning in and enjoy that contest. It's like a fun contest for everyone. And this is to support all of ours like nail techs, your talents, and we are like really excited to have you all participate. It's fun contest. Don't think it's too stressed. It's just fun contest. I promise. All right, so I think I'm blend everything is nicely, and then now we're gonna cure it for 60 seconds, and this now will be completely done. However, if you feel after the cleanse like cure the nails, and you feel like it's still scratchy and the cleanse can feel it in the hair, catching on the hair, I always, what's funny is that just my personal, like that's my personal preference. Every time I seal, like double secure with precision glue, right? And I always tell the clients, like, can you run your hand, like do your hair and then check it for me, because make sure that I don't miss any of the edges, because when you go home, I don't know. So they run and say, oh, Nancy, I need a little bit here because I can feel it. They feel it better than us because we can do really double secure. But then also they're going to give us a really good, how I say, testimonies for you. So they're the one able to tell you the most, like better than we feeling it as well. So did we hear this one?
Yeah.
Okay, sorry.
Yeah, this last one.
I just want to make sure. Thank you so much, Live Ras. Yes, I really appreciate it, Live Ras. And Sarah, I am using its precision glue. This one is the dual end, is on the top cap. When I take it off, it will take me to the needles. Then this is a freaking awesome. This is rescuing me so many times with crystal placement. You don't only need to do is secure, double secure, because you're already doing condensed glue gel and no white top coat, and now you're gonna doing it just double secure it on between cracks of the crystals and the edges of the crystal charms and chains, like a little beads right here. You're gonna feel it in between, and after that you cure for 60 seconds. Make sure you don't throw this red cap away, because it's gonna keep you from like clogging and spilling. And on the other end, if I unscrew it, it's gonna take me to the dual end, which is a precision brush, which is also the that you can able to apply the little smaller crystal as well. And there was like a thin density and double secure and go to all the cracks and the edges. And this is a condensed glue gel, is a thick density, so then you can apply it here 3D flat backs, crystal, 3D crystal, charms, you know, all the chains, beads, you name it. And for the content,